Hello students, these are the 4 exercises from chapter number 34 Advanced Physiography section number 1. सेक्शन नंबर 1 की जो वीडियो का लिंक है वो मैं आपको डिस्क्रिप्शन में दे दूंगी, क्योंकि मैंने पहले एडवांस फ्रेजेस की एक प्लेलिस्ट बना रखी है। ठीक है, तो मैं आपको सेक्शन नंबर 1 की जो लिंक है इसकी वर्ड्स की, ठीक है, लिस्ट की, वो शेयर कर दूंगी डिस्क्रिप्शन में। तो उसके आगे आता है एक्सरसाइज नंबर 145. लेट्स स्टार्ट विद एक्सरसाइज नंबर 145 ऑन द स्पीड ऑफ 60 वर्ड्स पर मिनट. Be ready? Start. I am very glad to inform you that our business has turned out very satisfactorily indeed during the past year, notwithstanding the much has militated against our progress. Before dealing with the figures in the accounts, I think it is necessary for me to recall to your minds what I said at our last meeting. You will probably remember these words. On this occasion, we have to meet an adverse balance, and it is deemed necessary to take immediate steps to improve our position. At the beginning of the year, we brought forward a substantial amount, and now we are faced with a deficit. I am persuaded, however, that we could not have done better owing to the peculiar circumstances which were in operation during the year. Those who were present at the meeting in all probability remember the statement on this matter in the report. It was felt that by some means we must regain our position, and therefore every circumstance likely to have affected the profitable working of the company was considered, and the result reflects great credit on all those who are concerned in the reorganization, and I think that you are satisfied in this respect. Next is exercise number 146 on the same speed, 60 words per minute. Be ready. Start. Dear sir, I am very glad to notice that by some means you are hoping to have the new proposal brought forward at the next meeting of the directors, and I am persuaded that in the meantime you should not discuss the matter with anyone, because it is necessary to be very cautious in all circumstances, as on this occasion. you will probably do what can be done to make the case complete so that we may have every circumstance detailed that is in our favor. I think that you are aware of the importance of having ready a definite scheme if we would be successful, but as the matter is of such vital importance to us, I take the liberty of emphasizing the point, awaiting your reply. We are yours truly. Next is exercise number 147 on the same speed, 60 words per minute. Start. बीच बीच में थोड़ी सी स्पीड तेज करती हूँ ताकि आप लोगों को आगे स्पीड में लिखने की प्रैक्टिस हो, ठीक है। तो आप लोग इसको उसी स्पीड से लिखने की कोशिश करें, ठीक है। नेक्स्ट इज एक्सरसाइज नंबर 147 on the same speed, 60 words per minute. Start. Turning to the accounts for the year now under review, I think you will agree with me that we have done exceedingly well on the credit side of the trading account. You will find that the business done shows an increase of £20,000. On the other side, we show an increase of working expenses, but the increase is not heavy and furnishes us with an example of the fact that the better the business we do, the lower is the ratio of expenses. On the assets side of the balance sheet, the property account item is the same as before, while the cash shows an increase of £1,200. On the liabilities side of the balance sheet, the cost of renovation has been charged to the reserve account, and I think you will quite agree with this. Our dividends for the past 5 years have averaged 10% per annum. Early in the coming year, there will be a special meeting to discuss the matter of further developments, and I take the liberty of urging all to be present. In the meantime, I trust we shall continue to prosper so that we may have a substantial increase in our profits. नेक्स्ट इज एक्सरसाइज नंबर 148. जो छोटी हैं उनकी स्पीड भी ज़्यादा आ जाती है क्योंकि इसमें जॉइनिंग सिखाई गई है आपको, ठीक है, तो ये 60 से थोड़ी सी अबव ही रहती है. इट्स ओके, आप लोग लिख पाएंगे इजीली, ठीक है. बी रेडी, स्टार्ट. डियर सर, आई एम सर्टेन दैट यू आर नॉट fully conversant with the matter, or you would not urge those who were present on these occasions to bring the question to the notice of the meeting. On either side, there are those who are always ready to hurry business as fast as they can. Notwithstanding that, there is no advantage gained by unnecessary haste. By and by, I am inclined to think that you will agree with me on this matter, and then you will regret that you unduly hastened the passing of the rules with which we are now dealing. Yours truly. So these are the 4 exercises from chapter number 34 advanced physiography section 1. ओके, इसके बाद सेक्शन 2 की जो है इन सब की बनी हुई है सेक्शन 1 to सेक्शन 7 की, ठीक है. उसके साथ साथ मैं आपको लिंक डेली दे दिया करूँगी एक्सरसाइज के साथ साथ, ठीक है. तो आप लोगों को कोई भी परेशानी हो, कोई भी डाउट हो, कुछ भी पूछना हो तो आप कमेंट सेक्शन में कमेंट करके पूछ सकते हैं. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, थैंक यू.